Music. Hello there, and a warm welcome to the Sleepy Science Channel. I'm absolutely thrilled you've found your way here. Perhaps the day has been a long and winding road, or maybe you're one of those souls who find solace in drifting off to sleep while contemplating the vast expanse of deep time and the wonders of ancient creatures, rather than counting imaginary sheep jumping over a fence. Whichever the case may be, tonight's journey is specially crafted for you, a gentle exploration designed to ease you into slumber. You don't need to do anything right now, but simply rest. Allow your breath to gradually slow down, let your thoughts soften and melt away like snow in the spring, and feel your body grow heavy and grounded, as if it has been an integral part of the earth since the dawn of time. Because tonight we're embarking on a quiet wander through the incredible story of life itself. But we won't be tracing a straight, predictable line. Instead, we'll be exploring the branching, tangled tree of evolution, a story told not in the rigid confines of words, but in the silent language of fossils, the delicate beauty of feathers, and the leftover genes, whispers of the past, hidden deep within your very cells. From jellyfish that possess the remarkable ability to seemingly age in reverse, defying the conventional arrow of time, to birds that still carry the lingering shadows of dinosaurs within their DNA, evolution is an ever-present force, shaping everything, even you. We'll proceed slowly, gently, savoring each strange and fascinating fact one at a time, allowing the wonder of it all to sink in. And just before we truly begin our journey into the depths of evolutionary history, if these quiet explorations consistently help you unwind after a long day, or provide you with a peaceful and intellectually stimulating way to end your day, please consider gently tapping the like button and subscribing to the channel. Support helps others discover this haven of tranquility and knowledge, one sleepy soul at a time. Now let's begin, shall we? Human embryos briefly have tails. Imagine for a fleeting moment the very beginnings of life, the delicate dance of cellular division that forms a human embryo. During these early critical weeks of development, a tiny tail, a vestige of our evolutionary past, extends from the base of the embryo's spine, a clear and undeniable evolutionary echo of our ancient ancestors. This tail, though small, is a marvel of biological engineering, made of vertebrae, the same building blocks that form our spinal column, and even includes muscles and nerves, hinting at its potential for movement and sensation. It begins forming around day 28 of development, a silent testament to the forces that have shaped us over millennia, and reaches its peak length a week or so later, a miniature reminder of our shared heritage with all vertebrates. Then, in most cases, this tail is gracefully reabsorbed by the body, its components repurposed to become the tailbone, also known as the coccyx, a seemingly insignificant structure that plays a vital role in anchoring muscles and ligaments. Occasionally, however, babies are born with small tails still intact, a rare but fascinating glimpse into our evolutionary past, a quiet and profound reminder that we once shared a body plan with creatures who used that tail for balance, climbing through the trees or navigating the waters with graceful strokes. There are more bacterial genes in your body than human ones. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale of the microscopic world that resides within you. Your body contains approximately 20,000 human genes, the blueprints that define your unique traits. But the bacteria that live in and on you, a vast and diverse community, carry millions more, an astonishing testament to the power and pervasiveness of microbial life. These microbes aren't merely passive passengers. They actively participate in the intricate workings of your body, helping to digest your food, extract vital nutrients, shape your immune system, protecting you from harmful invaders, and even influence your mood and behavior, weaving a complex tapestry of interactions that science is only beginning to unravel. Most of these bacteria reside in your gut, forming what scientists call the microbiome, a complex and dynamic ecosystem that co-evolved with humans over millions of years, a partnership forged in the crucible of time. Some of these bacteria are passed down through generations, inherited just as surely as your own DNA, a legacy of microbial life that stretches back to the very beginnings of humanity. Others are picked up from food, the soil beneath our feet, and even from other people, creating a constantly shifting and evolving microbial landscape within you. You are not just a single organism. You're a walking, talking, thinking community, part human, part microbial, and entirely shaped by the forces of evolutionary history. a living embodiment of the interconnectedness of life. Eyeless cavefish still grow eye sockets and then absorb them. Imagine the inky blackness of an underground cave, a world devoid of light and sound. In these dark, silent waters, some species of fish have lost their eyes entirely, a seemingly drastic adaptation to a life without visual input. But here's the truly strange part. A testament to the enduring power of evolutionary history, their embryos still begin to develop eyes. Tiny eye structures, miniature versions of the organs that once allowed their ancestors to see, formed just like in their sighted relatives, a ghostly echo of a past life. But then, something remarkable happens. The growth stops. The cells begin to break down, and the tissue is absorbed back into the body, a process of biological recycling. This phenomenon, called regressive evolution, reveals how evolution efficiently removes what is no longer useful. In the harsh reality of the cave where light never penetrates, maintaining eyes would be a wasteful expenditure of energy. It's often more efficient to shut something down, to disable a gene, than to completely rewire the entire system from scratch. Even in blindness, these cavefish carry the quiet blueprint of sight, an echo of light that once guided their ancestors, a silent testament to the enduring power of evolutionary history. Whale pelvis bones are still there. Envision a majestic whale gliding effortlessly through the ocean depths. Even these magnificent creatures, perfectly adapted to their aquatic environment, still carry faint traces of the legs their ancestors left behind. Deep within the soft tissue near their hips lie tiny pelvic bones, no longer connected to limbs, no longer serving their original purpose, but still present, a silent reminder of their terrestrial origins. These structures once supported walking legs in their land-dwelling ancestors, creatures that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Over millions of years, as their descendants adapted to aquatic life, the bones shrank and lost their original function, a gradual process of evolutionary transformation. Yet evolution rarely deletes a structure entirely, preferring to repurpose, modify, or simply let it linger, a testament to the inherent conservatism of biological systems. The vestigial pelvis in whales is a quiet anatomical fossil, a remnant of a body that once walked, now gliding silently through the sea, a poignant reminder of the long and winding road of evolution. The giraffe's neck has only 7 vertebrae. Consider the giraffe, a creature of towering grace, its neck reaching for the highest branches of the African savanna. Though astonishingly long, that neck is built from the same number of vertebrae found in nearly all mammals, just 7. Each vertebrae has simply stretched and expanded over time, a testament to the power of gradual evolutionary change, forming the famous tower that allows giraffes to browse treetops, accessing food sources unavailable to other herbivores, or spar with their necks during ritual combat, a display of dominance and strength. This constraint, the 7-bone blueprint, shows how evolution tends to modify existing structures rather than invent new ones from scratch, a principle known as tinkering. A longer neck wasn't created by adding new bones, but by elongating what was already there, a subtle yet profound transformation. Even the most dramatic changes, the most striking adaptations, often come from small tweaks to familiar blueprints, a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of evolution. Dolphins and bats both independently evolved echolocation. Imagine navigating the world through sound, painting a picture of your surroundings with echoes. Echolocation, the ability to see with sound, evolved independently in both dolphins and bats, 2 animals separated by millions of years of evolutionary history and utterly different environments. Dolphins use sonar to navigate the murky ocean depths, sending out clicks and interpreting the returning echoes to find prey and avoid obstacles. Bats use high-pitched squeaks to hunt insects in the dark, creating a sonic landscape that guides their every move. Despite these vast differences in lifestyle and habitat, both lineages evolved similar genetic changes to their hearing and sound-producing machinery, a striking example of convergent evolution, where similar challenges lead unrelated species down the same evolutionary path. Sound became a way to pierce the darkness, a tool for survival honed by natural selection. 2 solutions crafted twice in total isolation, a testament to the power of evolutionary innovation. Flight evolved more than once. Look up at the sky and marvel at the diversity of winged creatures soaring through the air, but did you know that flight evolved more than once, a testament to its inherent advantages? Birds, bats, and insects all evolved flight independently, each taking a different evolutionary path to conquer the skies. Even pterosaurs, the extinct flying reptiles that once ruled the Mesozoic skies, had a different wing structure from modern birds, a testament to the diversity of solutions that evolution can conjure. Each case, evolution took what was available, an arm, a membrane, a set of scales, and reshaped it into something capable of lifting an animal into the air, a testament to its resourcefulness and adaptability. These multiple inventions of flight are a reminder that evolution isn't a straight line, a predetermined path to perfection. It's a process of improvisation, trial and error, and seizing opportunities, a constant exploration of new possibilities. And sometimes it takes to the skies in four entirely different ways, a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. Human and banana DNA are shockingly similar. Might be hard to believe considering the vast differences between us, but humans and bananas share around 60% of their DNA, a surprisingly high degree of genetic similarity. That's because much of the genetic code across all life on Earth is made from the same ancient ingredients. Genes for basic cellular processes like copying DNA, breaking down sugars, or making proteins are so fundamental that they've been passed down across billions of years. From the earliest single-celled organisms to the complex life forms we see today, the differences lie in how those genes are arranged, expressed, and adapted, the subtle tweaks that distinguish a human from a banana. You are obviously not a banana, but on a molecular level, you're both running variations of the same deeply ancient code, a testament to the shared ancestry of all life on Earth. Some lizards don't need males to reproduce. In the vast and diverse world of lizards, there are some species where females have evolved the remarkable ability to reproduce entirely without males, a phenomenon known as parthenogenesis. This process allows a single female to create offspring that are genetic clones of herself, a testament to the power of asexual reproduction. It's rare among vertebrates, but in some desert-dwelling lizards where finding a mate can be a challenge, it has become the norm. While this method can limit genetic diversity, reducing the potential for adaptation to changing environments, it also has distinct advantages. A lone individual can found a new population, colonizing a previously uninhabited area. No mate required, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. It's a striking example of how evolution can shape reproduction in ways that break the usual rules, especially in harsh or isolated environments where opportunities for mating are few and far between, a testament to the diversity and ingenuity of life. All life on Earth shares a common ancestor. Imagine tracing back the branches of the tree of life, following the interconnected pathways that link all living things. Every plant, every animal, every fungus, and every microbe that has ever lived on this planet, from whales to willow trees to the bacteria in your gut, is part of the same unbroken tree of life, a testament to the unifying power of evolution. If you trace the branches far enough back in time, past mass extinctions and shifting continents, you'd eventually arrive at a single ancient cell, the last universal common ancestor, Luca, the primordial spark from which all life on Earth evolved, lived over 3.5 billion years ago in a world without oxygen, a harsh and alien environment compared to the one we know today. Long before the first fish or fern, its genetic material survives in every living creature today, a testament to its enduring legacy. You are not just connected to your parents and grandparents, but to mushrooms, coral reefs, and even pond scum, all cousins in a vast and ancient family, a testament to the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Whales evolved from four-legged land mammals. Envision the evolutionary journey of the whale, a transformation that spans millions of years. Long before they swam the oceans, the ancestors of modern whales walked on land, a testament to their terrestrial origins. They had hooves, long snouts, and limbs built for wading through shallow rivers, creatures adapted to both land and water. Over tens of millions of years, their descendants gradually became more aquatic, a slow and steady transition driven by natural selection. Their legs shortened, their tails broadened, becoming powerful propellers for swimming, and their nostrils migrated toward the top of their heads, eventually becoming the blowholes we see today. Fossils like Pachycetus and Ambulocetus capture this transition beautifully, animals with both land-going limbs and ear bones suited for underwater hearing, providing invaluable insights into this remarkable evolutionary journey. Today's whales still carry the hidden legacy of that transformation with tiny vestigial hip bones buried deep within their flesh, a silent testament to their terrestrial past. What began as a four-legged forager became the largest animal the world has ever seen, a testament to the power of evolutionary adaptation. Birds are the living descendants of dinosaurs. The next time you see a sparrow flitting about in your garden or a crow perched atop a telephone pole, try to imagine it as a tiny feathered dinosaur because that's exactly what it is, a living relic of a bygone era. Modern birds evolved from a branch of small, fast-feathered theropods, the same group that includes Velociraptor and Tyrannosaurus rex, fearsome predators that once roamed the earth. These ancient creatures already had hollow bones, sharp vision, and feathers used for warmth or display, traits that would later be crucial for flight. Over time, their limbs became wings, their skeletons grew lighter, and their feathers became more elaborate, transforming these dinosaurs into the birds we know and love today. But evolution didn't erase their ancestry. Birds still lay eggs, they still have claws, beaks, and even traces of dinosaur genes in their DNA, a testament to their unbroken lineage. Every robin, every owl, every pigeon you pass is a dinosaur that learned to fly, a living embodiment of evolutionary history. Vestigial structures are evolution's footnotes. Throughout the bodies of animals, including our own, are features that no longer serve their original function, silent witnesses to the past. These are vestigial structures, evolutionary leftovers that were once useful but now persist in altered or diminished form. Human goosebumps are one example, a relic of our hairy ancestors. They once helped our ancestors puff up their fur to stay warm or appear larger to predators, a defense mechanism that has lost its effectiveness in our relatively hairless bodies. Today they serve little purpose, a fleeting reminder of our evolutionary past. The human, imagine, but some in just this is traits, but it is picture, but every it has the plateau. It's a in our ancient, whether the sometime considered hidden in ancient over today, but the go and vision discover it had with its tick evolution. Imagine, but it was on the despite evolution picture they trick their bone these but imagine modern. But if you these as what imagine a battle played out in the darkness, a high-stakes game of predator and prey using sophisticated sensory systems. Some tiger moths have evolved the remarkable ability to confuse their greatest predator, the bat, a testament to the power of coevolutionary arms races. Using specialized organs called tymbals, these moths emit rapid ultrasonic clicks while in flight, creating a sonic defense against bat echolocation. To human ears, it's silence, an imperceptible sound, but to a hunting bat using echolocation, it's static, a sonic cloud that can blur the outlines of the moth's body or suggest a false location, disrupting the bat's ability to pinpoint its prey. This acoustic defense is a rare example of biological countermeasures, like sonar jamming in military technology, a testament to the ingenuity of evolution. It's an evolutionary arms race played out in darkness, a constant back and forth between predator and prey. Every refinement in bat sonar is met with an upgrade in moth stealth, a testament to the relentless pressure of natural selection. Seahorse dads carry the babies. In most of the animal kingdom, females carry the embryos, investing significant energy in the development of their offspring, but not in seahorses. Here, the roles are reversed, a unique and fascinating exception to the general rule. The female deposits her eggs into a pouch on the male's belly, where he fertilizes and protects them as they develop, a testament to his parental care. The pouch supplies oxygen, nutrients, and even contractions during birth, providing everything the developing embryos need to thrive. This reversal of parental roles is rare among vertebrates, but in seahorses it's the norm, a testament to the diversity of reproductive strategies in the animal kingdom. Evolution doesn't follow social conventions, responds to what works, optimizing reproductive success in the face of environmental pressures. In the tangled seagrass where seahorses live, this arrangement gives mothers more time to produce eggs, while fathers guard the next generation, a division of labor that maximizes reproductive output. Naked mole rats don't feel pain the same way. Imagine living underground in dark, crowded tunnels surrounded by high levels of carbon dioxide, a harsh and unforgiving environment. Naked mole rats have adapted to this subterranean lifestyle in extraordinary ways, evolving traits that allow them to thrive where almost no other mammals can. One of the most unusual traits is their insensitivity to certain kinds of pain, a remarkable adaptation to their unique environment. Their nerve receptors don't respond to acid or capsaicin, the chemical that makes chili peppers burn, substances that would cause intense pain in most other mammals. This insensitivity likely evolved as a side effect of adapting to their stuffy, acidic tunnels, where pain signals would be constant and useless, a testament to the power of natural selection to eliminate unnecessary or even detrimental traits. So evolution turned them off, silencing the pain signals and allowing them to navigate their challenging environment without constant discomfort. It's one of many oddities that make these wrinkled rodents evolutionary outliers, a testament to the boundless diversity of life. Elephants rotate their teeth forward. Consider the massive teeth of an elephant, essential tools for grinding tough vegetation. Unlike humans who have one set of adult teeth that emerge from below, elephants have a conveyor belt system, a constant cycle of tooth replacement that allows them to maintain their chewing power throughout their lives. Their massive molars grow deep within their jaws and slowly move forward as older teeth wear down, a process that continues throughout their lifespan. Over a lifetime, they cycle through 6 sets of these grinding plates, each new molar growing larger and tougher than the one before, capable of chewing bark, roots, and fibrous vegetation, sustaining their enormous bodies. Eventually, even the final pair wears out, and in the wild, this can determine an elephant's lifespan, limiting their ability to process food and extract nutrients. It's a quiet example of how evolution shapes not just bodies but the passage of time within them, a testament to the intricate relationship between form and function. Human skin color evolved many times. Envision the diversity of human skin color, a spectrum of shades that reflects our evolutionary history and adaptation to different environments. Skin color in humans is one of the most visible examples of evolution in action, a testament to the power of natural selection. And it didn't happen just once. Populations living in high UV environments evolved darker skin to protect against DNA damage and preserve folate, an essential nutrient, while those in low UV zones evolved lighter skin to absorb more sunlight for vitamin D synthesis, a crucial nutrient for bone health. But this happened independently in different parts of the world, a striking example of convergent evolution. For example, dark-skinned populations in Africa and southern India are genetically distinct, and the light-skinned of Europeans and East Asians evolved through different genetic mutations, highlighting the independent nature of these adaptations. Human skin tone is not a linear gradient, but a patchwork of local evolutionary solutions to sunlight, a testament to the adaptability and diversity of human life. The pronghorn is too fast for its predators. Imagine a creature built for speed, capable of outrunning almost any predator on the open plains of North America. North America's pronghorn antelope can run at speeds over 55 mph, far faster than any of its living predators, a testament to its incredible athletic abilities. But the reason lies in the past, a relic of a long-gone evolutionary arms race. During the Ice Age, pronghorns shared the plains with now-extinct American cheetahs, fleet-footed hunters that pushed prey to evolve greater speed, selecting for individuals with the fastest running abilities. When those predators vanished, driven to extinction by changing climate and human hunting, the pronghorn kept its running ability, an adaptation that is no longer necessary for survival. It's now a species built for a race that no longer happens, a testament to the enduring legacy of evolutionary history. Evolution leaves traces not just of what exists, but of what's gone, a kind of ecological ghostwriting written into bones, sinews, and astonishing bursts of speed, a silent reminder of the past. Your laryngeal nerve loops through your chest. Consider the intricate wiring of the human body, the complex network of nerves that control our every movement and sensation. In the human body, one of the nerves that controls your voice, the recurrent laryngeal nerve, takes an oddly long path, a seemingly inefficient detour through the chest. Instead of going directly from your brain to your voice box, it loops down into your chest and wraps around the aorta, the main artery carrying blood from your heart, before returning upward to the larynx, a bizarre and circuitous route. This detour is an evolutionary relic, a consequence of our vertebrate ancestry. In fish, the nerve took a short route around a nearby artery, a much more direct connection. Its necks and chests grew longer in our tetrapod ancestors. The nerve was stretched, but it never rerouted, remaining tethered to the aorta, a testament to the constraints of evolutionary history. Even in giraffes, with their exceptionally long necks, the same nerve takes this absurd detour stretching over 15 feet, a testament to the power of inherited anatomy. Evolution doesn't rebuild from scratch, it remodels what's already there, adapting existing structures to new functions, even if the resulting design is less than optimal. Cacti and euphorbias are lookalikes without a common ancestor. Imagine two plants that look remarkably similar, sharing the same distinctive features but evolving independently on different continents. Cacti in the Americas and euphorbias in Africa look strikingly similar, both with thick-ribbed stems, spines, and water-storing tissues, adaptations that allow them to thrive in arid environments. But they are not closely related at all, evolving from different ancestral lineages. Their similarity is a result of convergent evolution, different lineages arriving at the same adaptations in response to the same environmental pressures, a testament to the power of natural selection to shape life in predictable ways. Both plants needed to conserve water, deter herbivores, and survive intense sun, and evolution sculpted them into the same solution from completely different starting materials, a testament to the resourcefulness and ingenuity of life. If you didn't know better, you might think they were twins, but their resemblance is only skin-deep, a superficial similarity that masks their distinct evolutionary histories. Color vision evolved in different ways. Envision the world in all its vibrant colors, a kaleidoscope of hues that enriches our lives and allows us to appreciate the beauty of nature. Humans see the world in rich color thanks to 3 types of cone cells in the eye, each sensitive to a different wavelength of light, allowing us to perceive a wide range of colors. But we're not alone in our ability to see color. Birds, butterflies, mantis shrimp, and some reptiles see even more colors, many extending into the ultraviolet spectrum, allowing them to perceive patterns and signals that are invisible to us. What's fascinating is that color vision evolved independently across different animal groups, a testament to the adaptive advantages of seeing the world in color. Insects and vertebrates don't use the same genes or even the same retinal pigments, highlighting the independent nature of these evolutionary innovations. They simply arrived at similar solutions, a testament to the power of natural selection to drive convergent evolution. In some primates, color vision re-evolved after earlier ancestors had lost it, a remarkable example of evolutionary reversal. Evolution doesn't preserve traits unless they serve a purpose, but it's willing to reinvent them when the conditions are right, a testament to the dynamic and adaptable nature of life. Crocodiles are living fossils, sort of. Imagine a creature that has remained virtually unchanged for over 200 million years, a living relic of the dinosaur age. Crocodilians today look almost identical to their ancient ancestors from over 200 million years ago, a testament to their evolutionary stability. This has earned them the nickname living fossils, a term that highlights their ancient lineage and remarkably conserved morphology. But while their external form hasn't changed much, their internal biology has continued to evolve, adapting to the challenges of their environment. Crocodiles have incredibly efficient circulatory systems capable of holding their breath for over an hour, allowing them to ambush prey underwater and survive extended periods without surfacing. Sometimes envision two groups of mammals evolving independently on different continents, yet converging on similar forms and lifestyles. Yet both there are on different. It's that woodpecker, Furthermore, it was the flatfish such as flounders and halibut present a remarkable example of evolutionary asymmetry. They begin their lives as ordinary fish with an eye on each side of their head, navigating the world with a balanced perspective. However, as they mature, a profound transformation occurs. One eye slowly migrates across the skull, eventually joining its counterpart on the same side. The fish then begins to swim sideways along the seafloor, adapting to a benthic existence. The adult body becomes entirely asymmetrical, a stark departure from the symmetrical blueprint of most vertebrates. This strange and fascinating transformation is the result of a unique evolutionary path that allowed flatfish to blend seamlessly into the ocean floor, becoming masters of camouflage. The fossil record provides compelling evidence of this transition, revealing transitional forms with eyes halfway shifted, capturing the process mid-mutation, like a snapshot of evolution in progress. Evolution doesn't need to adhere to our human notions of symmetrical beauty.